Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So we have Joshua Bassett here, and he's chasing the feeling here. He wants to feel something as he sings in his new song. So let's dive into this easy song. We don't need any capo here, but we need to learn 4 different chords. So let's start with the C chord here. So it's the 3rd here on the A string, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Then we need to learn the C major 7. It's very easy. It's exactly as the C chord here, but the only thing, you just lift off this index finger here. So 3rd on A and 2nd on D, and then open G, B, E. So there's your C major 7. And then we have this F chord like this. So you need to bar all strings here on the 1st fret. And the rest is like this: 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And finally the D minor 7 like this. I like to bar it. You can also hold it like this with your different fingers. But you're gonna need to play the open D string, the 2nd G string, and the 1st B string, and 1st E string. And I bar this B and E like this. So there's your chords, and the chord progression here for the verse will be C to C major 7, and back to C, and to C major 7 again. Then we're gonna play F, and another F, and then D minor 7, and another D minor 7. And for the first verse, it starts very slow and kind of, very kind of music in the background here. So you only need to make 1 down strum for each chord. So like this. F, F, D minor 7, and D minor 7. And then comes the first chorus here. The chord progression here will be very easy. From C to F, to C, to F, to C, to F. So 3 rounds of C and F. And we're gonna need a strumming pattern here, and the strumming pattern will be down, down, up, up, down, up. So down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, up, down, up. You're gonna play 4 rounds for each chord. 3, 4, and to F. 2, 3, 4, and back to C. 2, 3, and 4, and F. 3, and 4. Very, very easy. Like this. And then comes the verse, 2nd verse. Here we need to play more than just 1 down strum. So here we're gonna play very similar strumming pattern to the chorus. It will be down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And the chord progression here will be C to C major 7, back to C again, to C major 7, F, and to D minor 7. So exactly the same as in the verse 1. like I told you, the difference here is the strumming pattern. So you need to do 2 rounds of the strumming pattern here for C, so, and 2 rounds of C major 7. Back to C again, and major 7. Then 4 rounds of F. And 4 rounds of D minor 7. And then we are at the chorus. When I'm playing these chords, this is kind of a very soft playing, so I don't play too much on this top strings here. I don't want this melody or the strings to ring out too much, because it's very soft, as I told you. So you need to play more in the middle strings here. Don't make too big hand movements like this. So keep it pretty close and kind of dance on top of the strings here in the middle strings. To get this soft feeling. Yeah, and of course, when it comes to the D minor 7, you need to play these top strings here, because the chord is placed very down here. So that's pretty obvious. But for the C and F, try to play more on the middle strings, even the bass strings more. So yeah, we also have this kind of bridge here. Yeah, the thing here is you're gonna play the same strumming pattern here as in the verse. So it will be down, down, up here, and the chords here will be 4 on the C and 4 on the F. That's the part when he sings only 12 hours and so on in LA. So besides from that, there's a verse, another verse, and another chorus. It will be in the same way, and the song kind of just fades out in then. And that pretty much covers this new song from Joshua Bassett. If you enjoy this one, please thumb up, leave a comment, and be a subscriber and help me out to get this motivation to go on. And if you wish any songs for future, let me know. I'm not sure I can handle all songs, and not all songs will fit this channel, but I'll do my best to make your wish come true here on this channel. So keep on interact with me and let me know what you want to hear next. So that's everything for now, and don't forget, play tuned.